Here's how to delete your Gmail search history in 2026 using a web browser. If this video helps, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser. Go to gmail.com and sign in to your Gmail account. At the top of Gmail, click inside the search bar. You'll immediately see a list of your recent Gmail searches. To remove a specific search, hover over it and click the X next to that search. That item will be removed instantly from your Gmail search history. To completely clear Gmail search history, open a new tab and go to myactivity.google.com. Click Delete, choose Custom Range or All Time, then make sure Mail is selected and confirm Delete. And that's it. Your Gmail search history is now cleared. Subscribe for more simple Gmail tips and guides.